That's Godzilla. That is Godzilla. What's up, Doc? Yeah, I feel you. What's up, money? Yeah.
Rise and shine.
It's connect the dots time.
She's so late. Anyways, welcome to day numero 4. Is it the 4th day?
Yes, this is 4.
Day 4. Last night was a whole freaking movie. I don't even know how it ended. Well, I do know how it ended, with food and sleep. But I don't know how it ended. But anyway, it's early. What is it? It's, well, it's not too early. It's 10 o'clock.
Early one Saturday morning.
Oh, it is Saturday. It's still my birthday. And we're about
still
to
spending money.
Yes, he is. And and we are about to go to some beaches. We're gonna beach hop today. We're gonna see what's popping with these pretty blue waters. I got my pretty blue on with a little bit of peach underneath. You see my boo back there matching. Y'all just come along. Like,
all right. So I had to, handle business. She gets to do all the exploring and everything and all the yee. Now we are going to go out here and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful day. Y'all already know how it is out here. Yep, it is beautiful. All right. And we're finna go beach hop. It's about 5 beaches we're gonna try to hit today.
yeah, it's a few.
It's a few. It's a few. And we already started off late because we started off
Early last night.
So, we're about to get it. We're about to go. Y'all come on, ride with us. We out. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
You already got me now.
We have made it to beach number 1 for the day. Playa KNIP Grande, I wanna say. Either way, wait till I show you guys this view.
It's beautiful.
Oh my God. Unbelievable. This is heaven on earth. Like, hold on.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that. In my life. Hands down. Look at that. I don't even.
That is
Curacao, like, best beach. Like, I don't even know. Hands down. I gotta take it all in. Y'all take it in.
amazing.
Cool. The thing is with these beaches is that some of them are free, but some of them you do have to pay for certain things, like lounge chairs, the umbrellas, the snorkeling sets. As you just saw, that water is beautiful. It's called Playa KNIP. That's their prices. So just keep that in mind if you're a snorkeler, if you enjoy snorkeling. What we did is we ended up getting our own goggles and equipment so that we can enjoy it at every beach for free instead of renting it. So just peace of mind for that. All right, we are about to step foot in the water. Oh, it's cold, but it feels good.
Cold, but it feels good.
It's cold, but it feels good. Akesha, remind me why you didn't bring your water shoes again. Gerren's out there exploring the water with the GoPro, getting some fish stuff. Look at that booty up in the air. It is so beautiful here, you guys. I can literally see the fish just from standing here. I have my goggles, but I have everything with me. So tip number 1. Don't bring nothing to the beach that you don't need. Bring your water shoes. I left mine at the hotel like a dodo, but that's okay. I have my sandals on underneath here. As you all know, I do know how to swim. I just, wow, like look at all these fish underneath me. It kind of just freaked me out. I didn't expect to see all these big ones by me. But yeah, We bring extra cash because we brought all the cash back to the car like crazy people, so that you can buy a little chair to at least, you know, put your stuff on. What other tip? Have a phone water thing if you want. But I'm leaving all of this next time. The next beach we go to. I'm leaving it all. It all. It all. And I'm just gonna use the GoPro. My earrings. I'm not prepared this one. Beautiful. Stop trying to be pretty. I'm vlogging. I'm giving tips. Why I'm standing here. Don't be like me and have all this shit on you.
Yeah, don't. Be like me and just be able to do what you want to do.
Oh, whatever. You look handsome with your little glasses. You heard that?
Yeah.
Look at the sky, you guys.
Oh, man. I think we can get wine.
I think we might.
So, she's scary as fuck. It is recording. Get in, man. Stop being scared. Damn butt, goddamn, was a flotation device.
Shut up. It's so pretty. It's a bunch of black ones right here.
Nah, it's some different ones in there. I just saw some big ones.
Oh, salty. Nom, nom, nom.
We did not bring our scuba stuff. Our snorkeling stuff. We didn't bring it, unfortunately. Come on, son.
Yep, come back.
Come out, son. Come out. Come out. Come out.
I found a shark.
Stupid. Goddamn booty bruised. Bruised booty.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Bruised booty.
Oh, that was. It is bruised. Hoping the salt water can help you.
We shut down the runway, looking dangerous like a gunplay. Yeah. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't you fall like you know even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you fall like sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Hey, you know like get it. Hey, you know like get it. Body moving, get it. She can do it, get it.
All right, y'all. So we are back in the car. We're leaving Beach 1. The name of Beach 1 is called. What is it called?
This was
And we'll spell it down here because I know I'm
GROTE KNIP.
GROTE KNIP.
GROTE. GROTE?
I guess. I'll put it right here on the screen so that y'all will know what it is. But it was absolutely gorgeous. Like,
that was beautiful.
that water is the color of the blue.
See, look, that can tell.
Oh,
That's that.
yep, look. Right there.
That's exactly where we was
That's
at, right
exactly
there.
what
See,
it
that
is.
was the inside, and we was just right here swimming.
Yep. By the way, shout out to the Renaissance. They gave us a book that gives you like the nightlife, restaurants, everything to go to. So it's lit, like everything, down to just everything. So anyway, so we're gonna head to beach number 2. We'll let you know what it is when we get there. Bye. We are turning.
So we're turning into PLAYA
Lagun.
Snorkels, fish, man.
Everything.
I think that shit said American $6. Huh.
Oh, well, we're gonna stop.
We're gonna stop in there. Okay. They got all kind of stuff through here. Okay.
Where should I park? I should just reverse. Don't do me. Unless you're doing.
So it doesn't look like. Oh, we got a BAHIA restaurant right here. Yes, baby.
That might have to be lunch.
Yes, yes, yes. Restaurante. Thank you for visiting. Oh no, we are staying. All right, y'all, give us a second. Let's get set up here. This is beach number 2. Okay, so this one is not as beautiful as this.
It can be. It's not, but it's a lagoon.
The lagoon.
Okay, so beach is beautiful. It's just really scenic. We got little boats here. You want that burger?
How you know?
Because I know. But yeah, this is how it looks, y'all.
Nice.
It is nice. We're about to go eat up there. Wish me luck on these stairs, y'all, because the way I'm set up, no bueno. No bueno. Ooh, they steep too. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna turn this off because I just scraped my foot. Okay, so we made it to the top. Let me show you the view from up here. I'm gonna have to take some pictures. So that's the front of the restaurant, but yeah, that's where we were, just down there. Absolutely beautiful. And that's where we're sitting, so we're gonna have a wonderful view. So, we turned around and seen 2 ancestors of the dinosaur community within 10 feet of us. Just put your camera right in front of my vlog, huh? Oh my goodness.
Yo, that motherfucker big.
Is this normal? We're about to eat. We're at the restaurant. Like, sir.
Sir.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Go about your way the opposite way. Because I'm not feeling it. Sir. I mean, this view looks better over here.
Sir. Can you and yours get the hell off?
I'm freaking out.
Maybe you held one and can't come over.
I didn't hold no damn iguana.
What did you hold?
It was an alligator, a baby alligator.
No, I'm talking about when we were, remember, it was my birthday and we was holding stuff.
Birds. You held parrots. We held parrots. Yeah.
Oh,
We in their nest. We are in their nest.
she said it too. You're in the nest. Look, see that hole right there? Something's gonna crawl out of that hole.
Don't see. I don't know if I feel comfortable. Real talk. Don't tell me I'm fine. I feel like I gotta sit with my damn feet up. My tail going hurt, so I can't get up that fast like that.
I bet you gonna motherfucker come across them toes.
Fuck that.
I bet you gonna get up faster than you ever have in life.
Okay. See, that's what I'm scared
that was a
of.
bird, baby.
Put my fucking feet up.
Nobody can match you. Donye for life. Sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Loving you madly. Girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I'll be here beside you. Anything I got you. You know play. All you do is shut down the wrong.
Bird said, I'm getting me some.
That head bop is
What's up, my name? What's up? Oh my God. What y'all don't understand is how close they are to us.
very close.
Look at him moving his finger like, yeah, shout, yeah. What's up, bro? Yeah, come on, bitch. Come on, swing on that. Yeah, nigga, I hear you, boy. I hear you. He ain't playing no games by here, boy. I'm cool with it.
I bet you are.
Oh.
Oh my God. Hey. Look at the one over there.
I see him.
Oh my. I don't want to. I can't eat here. I can't eat. We gotta go over there. There's no way.
That motherfucker is big. That's Godzilla. That is Godzilla. What's up, Doc? Yeah, I feel you. What's up, my nigga? Yeah. Oh.
Y'all don't understand. Look at this.
That ain't an iguana. That's Godzilla.
I'm scared to eat. Look at my table's right here. See, there's another one right there. Fiance's right there. Iguana. Do y'all see how close? That's my chair right there. And I can't. No. And no. And no. No. Look it. Now our food's here.
Oh man. Yeah, you can go right over there. Thank you.
Food looks great. I can sit and eat. Oh my goodness.
Right here. Yep, thank you. And it looks delicious. So our food is here. This looks, oh, hold on, Doc. Hold on. Okay. All right. Back it up. Wait, that food. I mean, Godzilla ain't been there to do it. All right. They won. They won. All right. Well, back in the car. We just had lunch. And we are headed out again to the next beach. One thing about Curacao, there's beaches everywhere. Oh shit, hold on y'all. So, with it being beaches everywhere, like literally everywhere, we've already hit how many today?
We've hit 2 so far, but they're so close. Like,
only 2?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because we had 8. Yeah, we did GROTE. No, we did, yeah, GROTE, and we just did
PLAYA. Lagoon,
yeah. So now we're going to Playa Santa Cruz. Yes, and it was 4 minutes away. So again,
close.
Most of the beaches on the west side, and again, remember, you want to be on the west side. The west side beaches are lined up.
Yeah, it's the best side.
It's the best side. It is.
Like beaches.
Yeah. If you want to see, now the best beach by far that I have seen in my lifetime was the GROTE. GROTE?
I don't know how to pronounce it.
All right, we might not be saying this shit right. But we're going to find out how to say it. We'll come back and let y'all know exactly how to say it.
How to say it, but either way, I'll put it on the screen.
Yeah, she's going to put it on there. That one right there, wherever she puts it. Best beach I've ever seen in my life.
The clearest water.
Clearest, beautiful turquoise water in my life. Yep. In my life. Like, the water was the color of my glasses. Like, beautiful. But right now, like I say, we on these streets. Y'all see them streets? I love having me an island driver.
Island driver.
Island driver. This is my island driver. This is my island Uber. My island Uber. And it's crazy because, as you see, it's nothing. Like, you're just driving. Uh-oh. You'll see it right there. What's that? That's it there. Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz.
Get that picture right there. Boop. All right. Fast. All right, so we're gonna make a right into here, and we are at the next. Look at this. Hey, you know it ain't an island unless you got island dogs.
Yeah.
Arf, arf. They might have nothing to feed them. They look like they starved.
I know.
And bada boom, we're at another beach. Oh, this beach got some shit over there. Alright, okay.
Playa
Santa Cruz.
So here we are. We're walking towards the beach right now. Let's see what this water is about. I feel like we should have saved that other one for last because I feel like nothing else is gonna beat that one. But we gonna see because today's a beach hopping day. Let's see. Let's see. The water looks actually kind of pretty. We're getting up it. Okay, where do we want to set up, babe? He finally dipped, y'all. Now he's bopping like a little boppy head.
Alright, I'm good now. Let's do it.
You good? Come back to this side, boo. Okay. So, as you see, nothing crazy about the water here, but it's peaceful. I will say that, like, it's peaceful. There's not a lot of people here for it to be a Saturday. So, and there's a free beach also. It's a free beach.
All the ones we've hit today.
Yeah, they've all been free so far. Because I heard there's some beaches that they charge you to get in. So, this is a free beach. Playa Santa Cruz. Alright, so I'm gonna enjoy the little bit of refreshment before we head to the next one. And we'll be back with you. Okay? Say toodaloo.
Santa Cruz.
Here's a 360 view before I shut it off.
Got it, I'll be here beside you. Anything I got you.
Alright, well, we're done with this one. Santa Cruz.
Yeah. Thanks for the dip.
Thanks for the dip.
Now we dipping.
The restroom break. And we are headed to the next. So,
Yes, yes.
I don't know what's on the plate next. I got to go back into the car, look at the map,
Yep.
and we'll let y'all know.
All right now.
Stay tuned.
I don't know the name of this beach that you're bringing us to.
Playa Handu.
Hanyu. So you know you got here after when you see these pretty houses.
Oh, that's fucking.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, yeah. They could sell one of these houses to me here.
Okay. Look at A13. Oh, are we almost there?
Yeah, it's like you looping around. Yeah, just follow the path. I see what it's doing. It's gonna loop you, and then you gotta drive through that way.
I see.
Yeah. So we tried to go to one beach, but it was actually a private residence only beach. So they need to take that shit off Google immediately. That was just a waste of gas. Luckily it wasn't number like 20 minutes though, but it did give us a beautiful scenery though. So we're actually just, you know, checking out the scene.
Out the scenery.
Nothing but water.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Very, very beautiful. There's cars parked down there where that water is blue as fuck.
Maybe
down
that's
there.
what they meant.
How did we get down there?
Where did that white truck go? Maybe he wasn't.
Maybe he knew where the fuck to go. Cause that shit is beautiful.
Yes. Hold up. Wait a minute. There might be hope.
We might make something out of nothing.
I don't know where that white truck went.
Man, we gotta park the car. Take all the valuables and walk. So we know to get back, we gotta go back out that way. Look like you can, yeah, it's folks down here now.
Babe, look at this. Okay, we might have to walk down here though, right?
So I don't see no cars down there.
Hidden gem.
I just found something. I just found something.
Look at this.
Oh, man.
Get it. So wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion round our body. When you do it slowly, you take me.
Beautiful. Found a gem, baby. Found a gem. Just found some shit.
Randomly. We don't know what this is called, y'all. It was supposed to be, what was it supposed to be?
Yeah, it was
Santa something, but it was a private beach. But if you want to come to this is, wow.
This is beautiful. So, our hidden gem that we found. beautiful. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful.
You want to enter from right here?
Absolutely beautiful. I keep trying to actually show y'all this beautiful water here, but oh, you know, scary cat here.
I'm not scared.
She's scared.
It's just rocks. Who wants to fall on a rock?
Don't fall. But the water here is absolutely beautiful. Like, you can look. You can see my hand. My hand is deep in the water. Put your nails in the water. And it ring blinking too. Shit, don't let it hit sun.
It looks pretty against the water, don't it? Does. Aww.
Get my money back. So, y'all know how I am. I like to... Okay, I'm good. Just had to let it hit one good time. You just be easing your way in.
Yeah, it don't bother me.
It's not even deep.
No, it's not.
See,
it's probably when you go out there.
You did all the damn talking and walking. Man, it's beautiful though.
This is dope.
This is clear as the first beach.
It is.
Like,
this is. This
really
is.
is.
Now, this is a hidden.
This is a hidden gem. Very hidden.
No one talks about this. We don't even know the name.
I don't know the name of this one. This is, I am declaring the name of this one. Cool Cat Island.
Cool Cat Beach.
Cool Cat Beach. This is Cool Cat Beach.
There's no sign, no nothing.
There's nothing. It is so clear.
This part of feels so good.
Cool Cat Beach, baby. This is where we at. I don't even know how to give you the coordinates to this motherfucker, but I just know it's a cool ass beach. What a gem. What a gem. So we are just really enjoying this whole beach hop. This is all we're doing. We hopping from beach to beach to beach to beach. We just hopping. Straight hopping. And as you can see, we are enjoying a lot of the hopping. We went one beach, it was closed. We couldn't even get to the road through it.
Right.
We should have showed y'all that because it was actually like in the cut. Like somebody could have got us. Got her. I'm running. Put your nipple in. I have to. We gotta edit and record. Yeah, redo that one. I could be drinking the water.
It went in my mouth.
That's what I said. Oh shit! What is this?
Well, I'm not going over there.
Oh shit!
That's what I keep watching. I'm stay over here.
I'm on a big rock. Wow. All right. Rock steady. Steady rocking all night long. We begin to rock. Steady rocking to the break of dawn. It's gonna be alright, baby. Just wanted to show y'all this beautiful gem out here. Again, Cool Cat Beach. Don't know the coordinates, can't tell you how to get to it. It's just, yeah, this is one of them secrets.
Well, what we can do is put the beach we were going to, that private one.
Yeah, we could do that.
And then
we'll put the private beach to where we was going to. And then when you get to the sign that says residents only, turn around and go straight back. Yeah. And you'll see water on your left-hand side. Yep, that was my left-hand side. On your left-hand side. And then just find the driveway that goes down. That's all I can tell you. Other than that, we finna enjoy this. Give us a minute.
Because of this view. Okay? This view is absolutely breathtaking. Y'all ready for it? You ready for it? Oh, you say. Look at this, y'all. Hands down. Hands down. What's the name of the beach again? I'm gonna put a picture because we screenshotted it. We ended up finding out the name of the little beach that we was at is It's no Playa, right? It's like Marina, something like that. I will put a little name up here as well. But on the way to it, we knew we saw something. We're like, we're gonna stop on the way back. So we decided to stop, and it was, well, look at this. Look at this. It looked like a little house down there too.
Looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you on you like a.
We are back on the road. As you can see, she's back on the driving, and we're headed to another beach. Like I said, there's so many beaches, so it's like hell. We dip a toe in one and head to the next one. Yeah. Dip a toe. Nobody has to know. And something else that we realized through our journey, as y'all see, as we're riding, there are no like speed signs. Yeah. So like you could just take the fuck off. Like actually you really could just ride. Yeah. We riding. We riding. I don't see nothing at all. So this is the Casa ABOU Resort. Sound like some Aladdin shit.
It does.
ABOU.
Uh-huh.